So, welcome my friends. Today it's Christmas Eve and I would love to show you drawings from my Christmas challenge, which actually just finished, but you are able to participate up until January 7th. So this was day one of my Christmas challenge, where we've drawn a beautiful bedroom in 2-point perspective. I used here markers, professional markers such as Touch and Copic and Style File markers. You probably already know these brands. So this was day one, and this tutorial it's available on my YouTube olgaart888. Just check the videos from it. Then for day two, I've prepared for you a beautiful Christmas cafe. So this interior I found when I was traveling to Australia, when I was in Melbourne actually, and I instantly fell in love with this interior. But of course it wasn't decorated at the time, but I added some greens here and there. I added some Christmas decor, I added some beautiful Christmas trees. So finally, this interior became more Christmas looking. Next day was all about Christmas trees. So day three was all about Christmas tree, and actually this day was the most popular. I guess it's because of the topic, because everybody maybe was preparing Christmas cards for their friends and relatives, and they were really excited to draw with me this Christmas tree. So once again, this day as well as day one and day two are available on my YouTube channel olgaart888. Then we did a beautiful facade with some nutcrackers. Finally, one of the latest drawings was this beautiful interior in 1-point perspective. So it's pretty easy interior in 1-point perspective, or sometimes we call it frontal perspective, with a Christmas tree. And we finished our challenge last week with this interior of a dining room. So the hashtag is Christmas Challenge olgaart888. And you guys, I would love to inform you that if you want to take your practice of interior design drawing with markers to the next level, to a really professional level, even if you are a complete beginner and you've never drawn before, just head over to my website, which is olgaart888.com, and find all the information about my online video courses there. So the base one is for beginners and the pro one is for more advanced learners.